Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.